you get back up? Roll back.
Cut it.
Still roll back.
Cut it, cut it. Go back, Tim, go back, go back.
All righty, let's go.
All right, roll cameras.
Stop right.
Stop it right in there.
Speed.
Okay, we're at speed on this one. Give me a second here. All right.
We have speed.
Would
Would
you
you see Terry's hands? There. No.
Do you want to
I
cut?
do.
Frank? No. Okay, no, we're okay now.
I see his right hand.
Right, here we go.
Fingers.
Both rolling?
Both rolling,
Action.
both have speed.
Cut. All right.
And that's a cut.
Hey. All right. Go.
Already count.
Go. Out.
Good position, Mike. Okay.
Great. Cut. Okay. Action. Cut. You all right? Okay. What's that? Okay. Came out of there. Action, Gene. Cut.
Camera is rolling.
Uh-huh.
Go, Lim. Cut. Oh, there's a lot of blood on the floor.
Rolling.
Roll it.
And rolling. Great. The arms are extended, right? Is that correct? Yeah.
Now, doesn't it look like the board is just...
No,
Oh, it looks okay?
no,
All right. You mean yes?
it looks fine. Yeah.
Yes, it's fine. No, it
Might
doesn't
look a little
bad.
more realistic. You glance it off one side.
You mean that you like...
No, I'm saying is.
Hit it and then let the board.
But I gotta do the impact of it. I gotta do it this way because if we do the fake head, we are doing the fake head this way. It's gotta be against the wall. Okay, so we're gonna go.
Right.
Swing.
Camera's rolling.
Okay. Speed.
80 AC, take 7.
Okay, go.
Action. Cut.
Okay, camera rolling.
Rolling.
All right, and action. It's all set? Yeah. Mike, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Roll cameras. Speed. Red light.
Speed.
Okay, everybody, watch out. Action. Great.
Okay, thank you.
Quiet, please. Here we go.
I see your spray bottle back there, Greg.
Oh, sorry.
What's that, Tom?
Uh-huh.
Okay, roll.
And rolling.
Action.
Okay, Greg, blood.
Cut.
Okay.
And action, everyone. Go, now.
Mark it. Did he mark it? I can't see.
Yeah, that's Mark. Go ahead.
Okay, George, let's go. And action!
You're not getting thrown in this shot. You're already here. Yeah. I just wanted you to know what the action was so that you know where you're going.
You clothespins? We need some clothespins. You got them right here.
Scene 70 Baker, take 1.
Mark it.
Okay, Mike?
Okay, George.
Here we go. Action.
Scene David 97 Harold, take 1.
Mark it.
Okay, Gary. Just take it at your own pace.
Watch it, Gary. See the back.
Yeah, but I mean, don't even Howard. Staggered. See, I'm aimed that way.
Scene David 97 X-ray, take 1.
Mark it.
Okay, Mike?
Okay, George, do it.
Action! You okay?
Put his chin down, make him look right up at the camera. Okay.
So you go.
Go. Okay, bring his chin down. Make him look right up at the camera. Right.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, quiet, please. Stand by. All right, background, get ready.
Paso, you know, take for your action, you know what to do?
Right.
Now, folks, or Joe, you're going to do that thing with your hands down there and scene.
At the end, well, after it comes away, yeah.
After even as it's going away, I would.
All right.
Because otherwise, we're going to have to stay on this shot too long. So as it's going
As it's going.
Yeah.
Try
as you can sense that there's separation.
If I can grab an organ,
If you can, yeah.
Greg. Greg.
It's on, sir.
All right.
Howard, stand by. Stand by.
Here we go. Roll it.
Camera rolling. Speed on that box.
Scene 101, take 1.
Mark it. Toss it a little higher. Okay, George.
All right, here we go, folks. Action.
Howard, pump the blood now. Paso, go. Tear that t-shirt apart. Get in there. Paso, get in there. Not too high. Not too high. Dig into that chest. Below the belly button. Dig in. Like you're biting. Pull it apart. Pull the legs now. Pull the legs. Go. Pull the legs. Down. Pull the legs. Put the hands down. All right. Pump that blood, Howard. Get your head up, Paso.
Guys, just stay there for a second.
Keep that neck stretched. Make him frown. Okay, do this. Make him look down. Stretch the body. Stretch it. Okay. Now have him look right up at the camera.
Profile. So straight on. I bet these are gonna be okay. I think this guy needs them.
I like them.
They do help kind of give him that scientific.
Okay, left and right. Not too close, not too close. Even right there looks real good. Even right there. Come right in. Stop.
That one eye, though. What happened to that one eye? Just push the back in.
That's on all the heads though. There's just like spikes sticking out. You won't. You don't.
One side. No, not that. Just
okay, look in there.
Could you push it back in?
It's fabulous. Is it recording?
Only because it has to like. Camera? Yes. Yeah.
This is not scary.
so far the one's taking the longest because it's a lot more critical. The other ones are really messed up and
Yeah.
some of our smaller appliances, but he's full face, it's real fine edge in there. I just forgot about that. I think it was fun stuff now. Actually, I've got in my bag, I've got like a real wide brush maybe, it might be dusted in there. A little bit more, so I think. Is there any way you can bend your green and ochre? I was doing a little bit more simple. Sorry, I didn't get rid of it.
Have to go forward.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it should.
Okay, unblock.
Oh, sorry.
Dun 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 dun.
Excuse me. Well, I like the way he looks in the appliances.
Let's prepare for tomorrow.
That's what we're doing.
It's eating him!
Who's that always says that? Dave.
Dave.
I love it when you say that. I love it.
Marvelous.
Yeah. You said that on that video. I don't know.
Oh, we out of here? We finish this?
Uh-huh. If we're prepared.
What about pre-going more gloves?
We can do it on tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's just do it right now.
I got one that's pre-colored, but only to the extent.
Oh God, no.
Here, no,
Here
wait,
we
wait,
go.
wait a minute. Put the mirror state on it. And the neck.
Sure.
Hold on a second before you do that. Load up this room. Okay, wait. Any better?
Where was this over here, right?
Just, I can't have this irritating me because it's on daily. So.
Audio? Yes. Okay. You want to clap?
You want to be right on?
Yes, why not? You want that?
At 32 frames? Okay.
You want to be right on a 2?
No, right,
Right
with the
on
atoms out.
Right
Right below, yeah. Yeah, that's it, Barb, right below.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Roll sound.
60 Winston, take 1.
Go, Mark. Okay, George.
Okay, action.
Okay.
Cut. Oh.
We're rolling.
And action.
Roll sound.
Rolling.
Speed.
Scene 60, Apple David, take 1.
Everybody settle.
Okay, George.
Okay, neck blood, gagging. Action, Gary.
Take it! Please take me!
Ready, set.
Rolling.
Rolling.
Okay, and action.
Check.
Freeze. Everybody. Well, make him talk.
Hey, I'll talk. Just do.
No, I mean, listen to this. It's subtle movement we want to do. All right, look, I'm going to put my hand over the top of its head. You make it look at my hand and then frown, okay?
Give me the, however. Yeah. Give me the eyes.
Oh, that blocks the light.
Wait a second.
Just got the blank. How about, let's do a surprise look for when she pulls the sheet off. Like he's like,
Yeah, absolutely.
and then when the sheet comes off, it's like,
No, I didn't. That's just the way they are.
Okay. Ready, set, go. Turn more your nose toward the ceiling. Okay, ready?
His cheek lines need to be darker.
I'm gonna slide off the table.
Action.
Don't, Sarah, don't. It'll just bring out rogues in the men. Leave it be, leave it be.
Cut. No.
That's a cut.
What happened? The left eye? Yeah, sorry.
Scene 34 Edward, take 2.
Speed, camera, and speed, speed.
Okay, mark it.
Action. That's a cut. What? And action.
Nice one. Great, great.
34 Harold, take 2.
Mark it. Left hand up a little
Yes.
bit. Okay, Mike, good. Anytime, George.
Okay, Richard. Okay, action.
I didn't feel it go all the way in. I didn't feel it go in. It went in.
Sorry, that's okay.
Did it look out with you?
You got to drop though, right? You want him to drop.
Yeah.
Otherwise, how was it?
Fine, yeah.
Let's clean him up and do it again, please. Let's clean him up.
34 Harold, take 3.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
And action. Flinching.
Yeah, it's a flinching.
I don't understand what the problem is though with that.
What? It's
He's
just a natural
got a drill
flinch.
going to his brain, you know. I think he'd flinch a little bit.
Want to try it for real? Get a real drill?
Scene 34 Kentucky, take 1.
Mark it.
Action.
I've removed it from the equation in this corpse. I believe this one would be benign even if it had its eyesight and its other senses. Its primitive instincts have been erased.
Right.
It still has its motor functions.
Okay, we're ready.
All right, let's roll.
Rolling.
Tell me when. Right when he wiggles at the end. Okay, Tom? Yeah. Let's do it. Are you rolling?
Rolling.
Action, Barry. Left arm. Right. Left. Right. Wiggle. Squirt. Will it squirt more than that? Yeah. Squirt. Cut. All right, get him out of there. Cut. That's a cut. Roll.
We're rolling.
Speed. Action.
1, 2, 3. Rolling.
Speed. Action.
1, 2, 3.
That's a cut.
That scared me that time.
Yeah. These are much better.
Camera down.